Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on the knee. So if you're somebody who has knee problems or a knee injury, this is definitely something you want to watch. These exercises are going to help strengthen your quadriceps in particular. We're going to stabilize your knee. We're going to increase flexibility in the hamstrings and strengthen the hips. So let's get started. Okay. We're going to be sitting on a chair. As you can see, I have weights on my ankles. To start these exercises, I say don't use the weights, just do it without anything. As you get stronger, you can add weights to it. So if you don't feel pain and if you can't straighten your leg all the way, that's okay. Just do what you can and you'll slowly increase your ability to do these exercises. So you're going to start by straightening your leg out and bending and reaching through your foot and two. We're going to do 20 of these and it should take about 3 to 4 seconds for our leg to straighten. And 5. Reaching through our whole leg, engaging the quad. 6 and 7. Flexing the foot, reaching through your whole leg. 8. Reach. 9. 10. Extend fully. 11, 12, 13, really lengthen out, feel your quads engage, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and one more, 20. Yay, we're going to do the other side because even if your bad knee is the one we just worked on, it's always good to work on the other side so that we're even. So we're going to straighten this one out and bend. 1 and 2. Keep the foot flexed, really reach through your whole leg. If your knee starts to hurt, only extend to the point before pain. 6, 7, reaching. 8, 9, 10, 11, flexed foot. 12, quads tighten. 13, 14, sitting up tall. 15, 16, 17, long spine. 18, 19, sitting on your sit bones, and 20. Beautiful. Okay, that's done. We're going to remove the chair now. And we're going to lie down on our sides. We're going to lie down this way to begin. And you're going to be right down on your head. One leg in front and the other leg extended. Foot is flexed. Lift and lower. 2 and 3. These should be really slow. 4, and try and tap all the way down. 5, 6, keep your hips square and keep your leg as straight as possible. We're doing 20, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, even though we're focusing on the knee, remember your abs should be tight, your neck should be long. Keep form in your mind. We have 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. We do the other side now. So flipping over and lying down. Leg is extended, foot is flexed, hips are stacked. You go 1, 2, 3, long neck, heavy shoulders. 4, 5, 6, navel in. 7, 8, 9. Don't forget to lower it down all the way. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, breathe. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, resting. We're going to move on to the next one. We're going to increase the flexibility of our hamstrings. So try not to fling yourself in the face. If you have a stretching band, it's time to pull it out. If you don't, that's okay too. If you have a TheraBand, that works. Even a towel works. So you're going to lie down and you can remove the weights from your ankles if you are wearing them. And you're going to lie down. You're going to place your foot in the strap or the towel or the stretching band or nothing at all. So if you have nothing at all you're going to do is just pull your leg in, hold it there, keep your tailbone heavy, and breathe. And we're going to do 30 seconds of static stretching. You're really stretching the hamstring muscle and you're pulling your tailbone down. That's what you would do if you don't have a stretching aid, but everyone has a towel, so I think you should use a towel if you can. Oops. And you're going to put your foot into the item, draw your leg towards your chest and breathe, and do this for 30 seconds. I am putting 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Bringing our shoulders down, breathing, trying to flex our feet and draw our toes towards our face. Keep the tailbone down and just breathe through this awful pain. We need to strengthen and stretch the hamstrings. They are very tight on people who have knee issues. So just breathe through it. That was 30 seconds. Okay, distractions are good. Let's go on. We're going to take the next leg and start it all over again. 30 seconds. Reach that leg up. Shoulders are down and breathe. 23 seconds on the clock. Feet are flexed. Toes are pointing towards the face. Sit bone is down. And breathe. Think calming thoughts like water trickling out of a faucet. Oh, see, there you go. It's done. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. It is a balance, stability type of exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand up and you're going to balance on one foot for 30 seconds. And you're just going to hold this for as long as you can. Try and make sure that the knee you are standing on is not locked. Find a focus point and just balance on your foot. And then level 2 of this, you could take a chair. Oops, see, I'm losing balance. Or a cane if you have one, or, oh, that was 30 seconds, or like I have a stick. So for this, what I would do is I would take my stick and I would stand, and this is the more advanced version, and I would like put myself off kilter and I have to try and balance on the leg that I'm standing on without using this leg to help me. So it's like you push away, oops, like you push away, and now I have to find my balance again. And you balance for 30 seconds. If you're capable of doing that, the next thing would be to use something that's not stable. So a pad or something that you can use to create instability. So now I'm going to do the other leg. We're going to put 30 seconds on the clock and stable. Find my balance. You can try different arm positions if it works for you. Shoulders are down, neck is long. All the same principles apply to standing as they do to lying down and sitting. Long spine is better than a compressed one. So, whoop, here, see, can't use the other leg to assist me. And there you have it. So you just did 4 exercises that will help your knee feel optimal. You're not going to be in as much pain. I highly recommend doing these 3 times a week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then you can do stretching, static stretching on Tuesday and Thursday. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you do everything together. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you do those static stretches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for joining me.